If I'm doing conversions between metric and imperial, I'm doing the exact same process. So I just need to know what the conversion rates are, whether it be centimeters to inches, whether it be meters to feet, whether it be whatever. So if I'm converting 5 feet 10 inches into meters, the first thing I need to do is I need to put this all in one unit. Right now they're in split units of feet and inches. So the first thing that I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to put it in how many complete inches. Well, if there's 12 inches in every foot, I'm going to say that's going to be 5 times 12 to turn those into complete inches, and then add the other 10 that already existed. This is all 70 inches. Now, if we don't know how to do the direct conversion from inches into meters, then I'm going to say that I have 70 inches over 1. I'm going to multiply it by a conversion I do know, 2.54 centimeters over 1 inch, and then multiply that by 1 meter over 100 centimeters. And that's going to give me 1.778 meters, because I would have canceled out the inches and canceled out the centimeters. If I'm doing 2.0573 meters, I'm going to do it into feet and inches, do the exact opposite process. I'm going to do my unit analysis first and say that I have 2.0573 meters over 1, and then I'm going to convert this into inches first. So I'm going to say that I'm going to multiply this by 100 centimeters over 1 inch, and then multiply that by, over 1 meter, and then multiply that by 1 inch over 2.54 centimeters to get this into full inches. Now it says to the nearest inch, so I'm just going to round this to the nearest full inch I can get to, which is going to be 81 inches. Once I know that this is an 81 inches, then I'm going to say that it's going to be 81 divided by 12. It's going to tell me how many feet I have. And if I do it in full feet, I have 6 full feet and then 9 over 12 partial feet left over, which would be 6 feet and 9 inches. Now, if you're struggling with this part, you can do this in multiple steps in your calculator. If I had 81 inches, then I can put in my calculator 81 divided by 12. And in my calculator, I'm going to get 6.75. All I would do to convert the leftover back into inches is I would take this number, subtract the number of full feet, and then multiply that by 12 again to convert the remainder back into inches, which is going to give me 9. So take away whatever's before the decimal, and then anything after the decimal that's going to be partials, you can multiply back by 12 again to convert it back into the inches. Before the digital age, video was often made on different types of film. 16mm film was often used in industrial or educational filmmaking, and 16mm films are now being transferred to DVDs and other digital storage. If 1,500 feet of film can fit onto one DVD, how many DVDs will be needed for 2,183 meters of film footage? Well, there's a couple of conversions that we're going to have to do here. The first thing is I need to convert these meters into feet. So I'm going to say that I'm going to have 2,183 meters over 1, and I'm going to convert that into feet, which is going to be 3.2808 feet per 1 meter. Or 7162.07 blah 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 feet. If that's the total number of feet and 1,500 feet can fit on one DVD, then I'm going to say that it's going to be 7162.07 divided by 1,500 is going to equal 4.77, which means that I'm going to need 5 DVDs to fit all of this. Even if it was 4.1 something, I would still need to round up, otherwise I wouldn't be able to fit everything on there.